Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial from the Kylie Cosmetics Sipping Pretty palette. It's going to be like a little bronzy, brassy look thing. I don't really know what to call it yet, but I'm sure you guys will see it when I post it. I'm going to start with a base, vanilla on vanilla. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid. And then I'm just gonna go in to Sex on the Beach with my finger and put that all over my lid. I like using my finger just because I feel like it's more pigmented, especially for these types of shadows. So it looks super messy and bold. So we're just gonna go in with go into pregame with a fluffy brush and smoke out the edges. And I'm gonna take it on the outer V and into my crease to create some dimension. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with Lit with a flat brush. I'm gonna go in here and then bring it in a little. And then I'm gonna go back in over that with my finger so that it's more pigmented. And then I'm gonna go in with Tequila Tangerine and Pregame mixed together on my lower lash line. And then all I'm gonna do is take Martini Mama and put it on my brow bone. Dude, look at these lashes. Are you kidding me right now? Like, look how much more open my eye looks than this one. It's crazy. All right, there you have it. This is the finished look. Again, I went in with vanilla on vanilla and then Sex on the Beach, and then I smoked that out with Pregame, and then on the bottom I put Tequila Tangerine and a little bit of Pregame, and then I highlighted my brow bone with Martini Mama. Hold on, let me just fix this. I hope that this tutorial was pretty easy and like easy to follow along. I don't know. I hope you guys like this tutorial. It's probably one of the easiest eyeshadow looks that I've ever done. If you look at it, I know that it's not gonna seem like it because I'm going to edit it and speed it up a little so it's easier to watch, because it's kind of a bore to watch someone for 20 minutes. I'm at like 20 minutes right now. The eyeshadow look itself is what I'm trying to say, is that it only took like 10 minutes, and that's not that long for an eyeshadow look. A lot of the times it takes longer just because you're trying to blend it out and, you know, like stack products or stack colors and stuff like that, but this is super easy. It's really just like 3 colors on the eyelid and then 1 at the bottom. I just added a little bit more, and then I added the highlight on top just for personal preference, but it's super easy. What took the longest is my mascara, just because I like to take my time to separate my lashes and make them look the way that they do. I do only do one coat of mascara, but you can do more if you want. I feel like this look would look really well with liquid eyeliner, like if you do a wing or something, or no blush and super bronzed up and stuff like that. But this is just the look that I've been going to. This is my go-to glam look as of right now, but summer is coming to an end. But I do think that you could wear this into the fall, but I'm just babbling right now. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. I hope to see you in my next video, and don't forget to check out these videos if you haven't already.